Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to create the database in MySQL. Okay, so let's get started. In our previous video, I have shown you how you can check already created databases or all the available databases in your MySQL. Okay, so in this particular video, I am going to show you how you can create the database, the new database which doesn't exist in your MySQL. Okay, so again, I will just try to execute this particular command, show databases. So let's see. So here you can see all the databases which are already available in your MySQL. Okay, so now let's try to create the database. Okay, suppose if you want to create any database, you can use the command like create database database space database name. Okay, so here I am trying to give the database name as a school. Okay, so we have already created the database, create database school. Okay, so we have already created means I have already written the command. Okay, so once I press control enter, the particular command will be executed or the query will be executed and the new database, that is the school database, will be created. Okay, so now I will press control enter. So on below here you can see create database school, one row is affected. Okay, so that means we have successfully created the new database. Okay, so this is how you can create the new database in MySQL using the command create database space the name of the database which you want to create, whether it can be school or employees or whatever, maybe whatever the type of the database you want to create. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.